that's over 275,000 that I've spent.
We know that humans have a limited attention span, and I thought, well, we should try that in our class.
All right, so our first exercise that we're going to do is alternating lunges. 2, 1.
Then we decided to try the exercise breaks out during my classes and actually formally assess how much the students like the exercise breaks. At the beginning of the semester, I divided the students up into groups, small groups, about 5 to 7 students, and their task was to generate a 5-minute exercise routine.
3, 2, 1.
So at the beginning of the class, I admit it is a little awkward for everyone. And after a couple weeks, they kind of settle in, they know what to expect, and kind of get into the flow of like of how it's going to work.
Versus bringing someone into the lab.
One of the main findings from the study was establishing that it is feasible for professors to implement. We have some qualitative reports from the students where they report enjoying the exercise breaks. They feel like it helps getting to know me as the instructor, as well as their peers. I certainly see opportunities to implement this in a larger scale, or at least in other settings,
10 seconds left.
to help with attention and focus and kind of reduce mind wandering.
All right. Great job, everybody.